Hello my dear viewers, welcome back. Today in this video we will study about the lesson number 4 of grade 4 EVS, that is roots support of the plant. After studying this lesson you can know that functions of the root and the roots of some plants which are modified into food. Okay, so you have already learnt in your previous classes the function of each part of the plants, and also you have observed the different parts of the plant, right? See here, a plant picture is given here in the box. What are the different types of parts you can see here? You can see root, stem, leaves, flowers, buds and branches, right? So these are all the different parts of the plant which you can see on the picture. Okay, so now tell me, where do the roots of the plant grow? The roots of the plant grows under the ground, right? The root is a part of a plant which grow under the ground, but other parts of the plant such as stem, branches, leaves, etc., they grows above the ground, right? Yes. Have you seen the roots of the plant? Dear children, have you saw the roots of the plant? Yes. If yes, yes. Maybe everyone have seen the roots of the plants, right? Yes. Which plant's root have you seen? Whichever plant's root have you seen, you can say. Okay. What is the color of the root? Yes, so the color of the root will be mostly the brown color, right? The root is brown in color mostly, right? Okay, next. See here some activities are there. First one, take 2 coconut shell or small tin boxes. Fill both of them with soil. What you have to do, you have to take 2 coconut shells or small tin boxes and you have to fill both of them with soil, okay? And in one shell you have to put ragi and in another shell you have to put paddy grains, okay? And sprinkle some water. After some days, after a week, what can you observe? Here you have to write what can you observe after a week. You should write here, okay? See, if you can, what can you observe here means, see, you can observe that the seeds have become the roots. The seeds which you have put there have become the small roots, right? Yes. Then one more observation, what you have observed. So one more observation you can write. It have grown into small plant, small sapling, right? Those seeds have grown into small saplings after a week, right? Yes. See, roots bind the soil particles together like a web. Spider web, have you saw? Like the spider web, root also binds the soil particle and it gives support to the plant to stand on the ground, right? See, if root will be not there, the plant cannot stand. You take a plant and cut the root. Without root, help the plant to stand. It is not possible for the plant to stand without the help of the root. So root is the very important part of the plant which helps the plant to stand straight to the ground and it also supports the plant. Okay, like this same 2 more activities are there. You read these activities and observe what are the observation you can see. You can observe and write. Okay, see children, the root absorbs water and minerals essential for the plant from the soil. See, where do we put the water to the plant? We put water to the plant to the root, right? Yes, you don't put water to the plant on the leaves or on the stem. Whichever part of the plant you will put the water, it will come to the ground itself, right? Yes, so the water which you put to the plant will be absorbed from the root and the water and nutrients reach the stem and leaves through the root. What are all the water and minerals will be there in the soil, in the water? It will go up to the leaves by the help of root. Okay, next. See here children, the picture of a root is there. I hope mostly you all have seen the root of the plant, right? Root is the supporter of the plant. Root is the supporter of the plant. Root web. What is web? See here, this one you can see, no? This is a root web. It conserves soil particle and water. Root fix the plant firmly to the soil. Root fix the plant firmly to the soil, okay, and root absorbs water and nutrients from the soil and supply them to the other parts of the plant. As I have told you, root absorbs all the water and minerals, nutrients from the soil, and it's supplied to the other part of the plant, okay. Now see here, the pictures which you can see, all of them are roots, okay. See, first radish, carrot, beetroot, sweet potato. These all are the vegetables which we eat in our daily life, right? But these are all the vegetables which grow under the soil as a root of the plant, okay. So, why do we use all these vegetables in our home, children? We use radish, carrot, potato, sweet potato, beetroot, all these vegetables we use as a food. We eat all these roots, right? Yes, as I have told you, we will get all these vegetables from which part of the plant? We get this from the root of the plant. These are the vegetables which grow under the soil as a root of the plant. So we get these from the root of the plant. Okay, so all these roots which we eat. Okay, next. Write the names of 4 roots that you use. Also write down why you use them. One is done for you. See, ashwagandha is a root. It is used as a medicine. Second, shall we write ginger? Ginger is also a root, okay. Ginger is a root. So why do we use ginger? We use ginger as a medicine and as a food also, right? Your mama will put ginger in your vegetables and in your curries and she will prepare food, right? Yes, so ginger is used as a food and also it is used as a medicine. If you have a stomach pain and all, if you have acidity, if you eat a little ginger with black salt, the stomach pain and the acidity will go, okay. So ginger is used as a food and also as a medicine. Next, shall we write sweet potato? Yes, sweet potato we use as vegetable. Carrot we will use as vegetable, okay. From the carrot we will make carrot halwa and carrot vegetable, right? So we use different roots to eat and also as a medicine, okay. So this is all about the roots of a plant, root support of the plant lesson. Okay. So here some of the facts are there, root facts. Okay, we will study now some of the root facts. Okay, there is a record that a farmer in Britain grew a carrot as long as 19 feet in the year 2017. See, this is a genuine record that a farmer in Britain grew a carrot that is long as 19 feet in 2007. The root of a plant of a grass family is 600 kilometer. This is the distance from Bengaluru to Kalaburgi. Oh, you see here, the root of a plant of a grass is about 600 kilometers. Okay, next one. There are records that a banyan tree spreads over more than 5 acres with the help of its prop roots. Oh, do you know which is the biggest tree? This banyan tree is a biggest tree which spreads over 5 acre of the roots. Okay, some plants such as apple plant grow on trees. The root of these plants are green and open to air. They absorb the moisture from the air. Okay, next one. The roots of some plant which grow in the places of scanty rainfall have the capacity to store water and provide plants whenever they need it. Okay, then certain tribal people means the the people who travel from one place to another place uses the water from the root to drink. There is a record of root which stored 70 kg of water. See, a plant had stored 70 kg of water in the roots. That is the capacity of the root. That root stores water and minerals and provide to the plant whenever it is needed. Okay, so this is about the EVS lesson of grade 4, roots support to the plant. If you want the other lessons, you can see in the description box. I have put a link in that and you can go and check out there. And please subscribe to my channel to get the upcoming lessons. Thanks for watching.